Welcome. In this video, we'll discuss how to troubleshoot and fix Messenger app when it's not working on your Android device. If you're experiencing issues with Messenger, follow these steps to resolve the problem and get the app working smoothly again. Firstly, check your connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection, either through Wi-Fi or mobile data. A poor connection can lead to Messenger not working properly. Make sure to update Messenger to the latest version available. Visit the Google Play Store, locate Messenger, and update it to ensure you have the most recent features and bug fixes. If Messenger is still not working, try restarting your phone. Restarting your device can help refresh the system and resolve any temporary glitches affecting Messenger's performance. Close the Messenger app completely and then reopen it. Sometimes, force closing the app and reopening it can help resolve any issues that may be causing Messenger to not work as expected. Ensure you have sufficient storage space on your device. Lack of storage can impact app performance, including Messenger. Clear out unnecessary files to free up space. Check the permissions for Messenger in your device settings. Make sure Messenger has all the necessary permissions enabled to function properly. Enable background data for Messenger in your device settings. This allows Messenger to operate seamlessly in the background and ensures that it stays connected and functional. By following these steps, you can troubleshoot and fix Messenger app when it's not working on your Android device. We hope this guide helps you get Messenger back up and running smoothly. Thank you for watching.